Hello, dear viewers. Hello. All right. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to the live stream. This is the Dukas Copy Webinars YouTube channel, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is Friday, 21st of July 2023. I hope that you are all doing good. I'm also doing fine. And as some of you know me already, that I am a Dukas Copy's trading community member. I'm not an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. So whatever I'm saying here has nothing to do with bank. It is my own opinion or trading idea. Now, if you have already joined the session, please, before everything else, just smash that like button which is below the video so that YouTube quickly promotes this webinar as the best webinar in the world. Just joking. Okay, so like I told you that it has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank, and in the next 30 minutes or so, we will be discussing about the key levels of inflection. That is from where there is a high probability of the price getting reversed. Now, if we know in advance that there is a high probability of price getting reversed from one particular area, then we can plan our trades based on that area. So we will be trying to find out the key levels, and generally my levels are very accurate. I must tell you that, otherwise you can watch my previous webinars, just have a look at it and you will know. Because I'm doing all this live, so whatever I'm saying, it is not scripted. Whatever I was saying is just because of my experience with the markets. So you can say that this is the first-hand experience. Okay. Now, as a technical analyst, I know that whatever is happening in and around the world has an impact on the price. So because I'm watching the price action, I'm not watching any other indicator. So there's no lag. So whatever is happening in the world is already priced into the chart. So we'll not talk about anything fundamental in nature. We'll only focus ourselves on the charts, and in the charts also there are different types of charts, but we will only focus on the candlestick type of charts because they give us the best information that we need for our understanding and for our setups. Also, at the end of the session, I will be taking the questions from the viewers. So please ask your questions in the chat box, and I'll try to answer them and satisfy your doubts. And also, whatever I say in this live stream should not be used as a trading advice. It is only for your consumption as an information or to enhance your knowledge. You have to do your own research and find out your own setups. You can use these setups, but you cannot blame me if you get into a loss. So my request is that you do your own research before you put your money on the line. And for everything else, I have a risk disclaimer. I will just flash it. It is a must. All right, guys. So here comes our daily chart of the dollar index. Now, why the daily chart of dollar index is required? I have been telling this time and again in almost every webinar that dollar index is what we need to know where it is going. Now, if you are following the dollar index, you know, I'll tell you what has happened. People can go back to my webinars and talk about this here. When I saw this leg here, I told you that there is a possibility of price reversal. Okay, if the price goes below this, I said, then there will be a possibility of reversal, and see what a reversal has happened. So now the US dollar is going up. You may say that this is a short term, you may say it is a long term, we don't know yet, but I'm expecting this area to act as a huge resistance, this area. Okay, I know that there is nobody in the chat, but I feel like my friends who have been there with me for a long time, like from 1 year, they will know why this area is so important. Why this area is so important, guys. If there is anybody in the chat, he can answer why this area is so important. One is this is falling channel, resistance line. Second, this is broken trend line, retest. Third is this is very close to this horizontal level. Now this is not a point, like I said, this is an area. So if I have to convert it into an area, how will I convert it? Will I not convert it like this? Will I not convert it like this? Don't you think so? So this is a very important area for the sellers, where they will be looking for opening their positions at a discounted price. Now what is a discounted price? I will tell you that also. Discounted price is where the sellers have I mean, it is cheaper, okay, from this sell to this way. When it comes above 50%, it is a cheaper price to sell. So if you get, say, close to 78%, it is very cheap. Like above 62 is very cheap. So it is always a better option to sell the market here with a small stop loss higher than this, if we are talking about the long-term time frames. And for short terms, you can actually keep a stop loss above 102.22 and target 100.44 and these lows here, right? So yes, right now on the daily it is in an uptrend, but this uptrend I think will finish around 102.22 level. If there is any question regarding this, you can ask me in the chat. Now moving on to the euro dollar. Euro dollar, like we were expecting it to give us a buying opportunity around 1.1095, but it has failed to give us any opportunity close to 1.1095, although it has made an intraday low of 1.1107, which is just 12 pips above our level. But we need actually a dip below 1.1095 so that we can have enough buyers to push the prices higher. Also, you can notice this on the 4-hour, that the prices are only dipping. They are not actually trying to go on upside here. Okay, so we can always increase this channel like this. I need this channel to break to the upside after getting rejected from 1.1095. If not, there is a high probability that the price will go to these highs like 1.1008 also. Okay, but if the price in the process goes below 1.0833, I'll be a seller in this market. So keep an eye on this one also, guys. GBP USD, nothing much has changed. Yes, there is a pullback, and this pullback will last till 1.2750. If the price breaks below 1.2750, I'll be cautious to sell this market. Till the time the price is trading above 1.2750, I am looking for a buying opportunity in this one with higher targets of previous highs. Previous highs actually we have not created on chart, but we can always, you can see, clone this and then push it to these levels. Okay, so 1.3141 will be your first target and 1.3298 will be your second target in case you are looking for the buying opportunity. And you can look for selling opportunities below 1.2750 only, since the price is trading above that, so there's no point in talking about that. But still, you can see that on my charts I have the levels. If it trades below 1.2750, then the next level of importance will be around 1.2590 and later on 1.2344 in this market. Actually not 1.2344, but these lows we will be targeting, which are around 1.2307. Australian dollar, I told you that stay away from this market, but I'm feeling like that we can get a buying opportunity around these highs, these previous highs, where I think the buying may emerge. I'm not sure when this buying will emerge, but I think in the first week of August we may get buying in Australian dollar. As of now, there's nothing to trade, so stay away. This stay away still is applicable to this, so stay away from this market, guys. New Zealand dollar, we were expecting a buying opportunity around 0.6219, and that has not emerged. So the New Zealand dollar is trading below the levels that we had discussed, and now it seems like either it should get support around this channel's support area, or there is a probability that this is going to break down further. So only time will tell. Right now we are not in a position to talk about what is going to happen in the New Zealand dollar. US dollar against the yen. Okay, so now it is at the level where I want to look for selling opportunity. But there is one problem. There's only one problem in selling such markets. Although I wanted it to pull back to this area to sell this market, but the problem is that the dollar index is in a buy mode and it can extend itself to 102.22. Now if that happens, I don't think that USD will stay here and go back. No, I think it will make another higher high, or at least it will go towards 1.5.10. So I'll be cautious on this one and I will not be trading this. Cautious. No. Why I'm saying no selling? Because the dollar index is in a buy mode. So if the dollar index is in a buy mode, then why will I sell the US dollar against the yen? So I'm being cautious here. Okay. US dollar against the Canadian one is on the rise. Why it is on the rise? Because the US dollar is rising. Okay. So if we trade, I like I said that this is higher. So 1.3386 is the level actually, which is the high that we need to break so that we can become buyer in this one. Till the time the price is trading between 1.3386 and 1.3092, these two levels, I think I will just stay away, or I will be just keeping an eye on this market. Although a level of this around 1.23258 may also be a good reason to sell, because this is a 50% retracement from this high to this low. And if the price goes here, there is a possibility that we will get more sellers to jump in the market and push the prices down. In case that happens, then 1.3092 will be support, and if that is taken out, then 1.2894 will be the next level of support for the US dollar against the Canadian. USD CHF, well, this is also now I think breakout. The market structure here also has changed. So expect 0.8631 to act as a support now, but the resistance may be found at around 0.8757, 8819 and 8867 area. On the lower side, we have support at around 0.8554 area. Silver, well, silver is moving between these two areas. We have got support at our level of around, actually today the low mid was 24.57 and our support area was marked at around 24.58. So the support has been tested, but at the support there is no buying. I mean, there is no good buying. If there had been good buying, or there had been aggressive buying, this buying could have taken the prices higher than these highs, which is around 24.90. So since there is no interest in the buyers, so I can say after some consolidation, there is a probability of 24.58 to break down to the downside. All right. Now what will be those targets then? Will you be selling this market? No, we will not be selling this market till the time it is above 22.50. But yes, we may look for a buying opportunity if we get another one at the lower prices. That we will discuss on Monday, maybe not today. Similarly, in the gold, we have a breakdown to the downside, and thereafter it has started acting as a resistance. This is on the 4-hour. What we are expecting is, we are expecting a breakout to the upside. Okay, and upside breakout is required at any support level. Now this support level, there was no upside breakout. Now at this 1945, will there be a breakout? That we will see. If we can get a breakout, fine. If we don't get a breakout, we will have a confirmed breakdown. So the price trading below 1945 is not good for gold, because in that case it will go into a sell mode and we'll be looking for the selling opportunity. Right now, till the time the price is trading above 1945, we are looking for a buying opportunity in the gold with the target of 1967, and not 1985 but 1987, and thereafter 2022. Brent, did we talk about it? I think those who are there with me on 17th July and 18th July, they know we were expecting this area to act as a good buying opportunity, 78.16, and the next level of resistance should be around 81.71. The price in a good buy mode. Any trade above this 80.91. Today high was 80.94. So yes, there has been already a trade above 80.91. That means the price is going to test 81.71 in the very near future. Does it mean that we should buy this market? No, we should not be buying this market, because the buying opportunity was very close to 78.16. Right now you can be only an observer. There is no point in buying this this market right now. Okay, so let us clean the chart a bit so that we have a clear vision so as to what is happening. So this is what is happening, guys. Okay, Bitcoin, we were expecting a breakdown at Bitcoin, although the breakdown is also not very swift. The breakout is also not very swift. That means the price is consolidating. We were expecting a breakout on the upside and a breakdown on the downside, but it is still in a consolidation mode. Till the time the Bitcoin is consolidating, I will say do not step into Bitcoin. Stay away from this one. Two important level for us are 29,430.2 on the downside, 31,793.9 on the upside. Keep an eye on these two levels. Anyone breaks, we become buyer or seller depending upon the breakout level. Similar is the case for the Ethereum, although this channel has been broken to the downside, but there is no rush to the with the sellers to push the prices lower. But in case the sellers are able to push the prices below 1816, then we will also become sellers in this market with a target of 1621. On the upside, we could expect 2026 to act as a good resistance. Euro New Zealand, in the monthly it's a breakout, so expect higher prices. Our first target of 1.8008 has been achieved. Today the price has made an intraday high of 1.8010. So that means first target is achieved, second target is 1.8081. Later on we have higher targets also, but this is the first and second target. So let us see how the things unfold. Right now 1.8080 is the next resistance. On the lower side we have support very far around 1.7393. Now actually you can bring your support around here. Why? Because this was the lower high. This high was 1.8006. This is higher high. So between these two highs, this was the lowest low. Okay, so now your support is at around 1.7478 area. I hope you understand this part. Euro against the Australian dollar, we are expecting a breakout from the neckline. If it doesn't happen, we are not trading this market, and otherwise if it breaks below 1.6222, we will become sellers. So yes, price is between these lines, so we are not trading this and we are just keeping an eye on this pair. Australian dollar against the New Zealand. Did I say anything about the buying? Yes. So yes, there is a buying. 1.0930 is the first target for us. Before that, this may be small target, but yes, 1.0930 is the broken support. So I'm expecting this level to act as a good resistance. Later on, 1.1052 will be the next target in the Australian dollar against New Zealand dollar. So support is 1.0831 right now. Resistance is 1.0930 in this market. Pound against the Australian dollar. Actually, this is now 4 hour. On the daily, we are expecting a breakdown in the pound against the Australian. So that will happen maybe today, tomorrow, next month, next week, whatever time frame it happens. I'm looking to sell the pound in this year with the targets on the lower side, which is around here. Okay, around 1.5910. But this is not the time to sell this market, maybe, because it is making higher highs and higher lows. Looking at this price action here, it seems like it has already broken below and we may get a selling opportunity close to 1.9170 area. For this, I will say let us see how the things unfold in the future, but we may get a selling opportunity very soon in the pound against the Australian dollar. Resistance is 1.9391. Support is now here around 1.8850. US dollar index, we are expecting 35,494 to be tested very soon. Support is 34,921, resistance 35,494. Buying this market at the current prices is not recommended because they are very expensive right now. So my suggestion is, my humble opinion for you is that stay away from this market, but keep an eye on how the things are unfolding. You may get an opportunity next week towards 34,400 with a target of 35,845 and also 39,000, 36,000 like that. Okay. CAD JPY, there is a possibility of getting a selling opportunity very soon. Right now is not the selling opportunity. These are the green candles, like I said you yesterday also. If there are green candles, do not sell. Had you sold Canadian dollar here, you would have burnt your account. So look for a selling opportunity at the red candle, or at least a red candle on the 4 hourly, like a bearish pin bar or bearish engulfing. This is not the price action which you can sell. Okay, wait for the right opportunity and right time. All right guys, that's all from my side. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the chat. If not, then I would like to wrap up this session. Okay friends, I hope you know about the support and resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just keep in mind to only risk less than 1% of your capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I will end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. Your likes and appreciation actually gives me motivation and keeps me energized. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. I wish you and your family a very good day and hope that your weekend will be very nice. So see you at 1700 GMT on same channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sparing your valuable time. Bye bye. Take care. See you on Monday.